Welcome to your weekly Tarot Finance Forecast, where money meets mindfulness. Take a deep breath. Let's set intentions for financial clarity and emotional peace. Card 1, the current energy. This is where your finances and mindset stand today. The Empress. The Empress invites you to nurture your resources and yourself equally. Have a look at the detail of the card with flowers and golden coins. Card 2, hidden influences. What's shaping your money flow behind the scenes? The High Priestess. Have a look at a blue background and moon. The High Priestess reminds you to trust your intuition in financial choices. Feel peace. Card 3, the potential outcome. Where this week's energy can lead you. The Sun with a golden field. The Sun signals success, clarity, and joyful abundance ahead. Write down your insights. They're seeds for future prosperity. Balance is key. Schedule time for both work and rest. Open planner with work and self-care times. Consider one small action this week to grow your income or savings. Release money fears. They block the flow of abundance. Practice gratitude daily. It shifts your energy toward receiving. Write a gratitude list. Surround yourself with supportive people who uplift your goals. Remember, your worth is not defined by your bank balance. We've got a little gift just for you. Want it for free? Our mini ebook tarot for beginners, written by Brazilian tarot expert Gabriela Thanda, is yours. Simply drop us a message with your email and we'll send it straight to your inbox. If you're ready to align your money and mindset with abundance, subscribe now and join our community.